Okay, this is Mrs. Yolich again, giving a different video tutorial on how do you answer the questions regarding the poems that I'm posting, okay? So you're on Google Classroom, you open it, you go to your classwork, and you see all of these. And then if you click on day 1 assignment, that's going to pop up. So you click on it, and it's going to open to something like this. Okay, so I already talked about these on the introduction video. I talked about the symbolism. You see the questions that I posted on here. You have to identify the underlined phrases, words and phrases. What do they symbolize? And then this is a little practice skill on identifying the speaker. You have to identify who is the speaker on this song lyric right here. And then we get to the first day's poem. So the first day's poem is actually The Rose That Grew from Concrete. And what you're going to do is, if we were in the classroom and you had a highlighter or a pen or a pencil that you took from my cup, you know who you are. But if you had a highlighter or a pencil or a pen, you would literally underline or circle the words or phrases or lines that stood out to you. So because you're working on a Google document, what you're going to do instead is type what those lines or those words are, where you see annotate at least 4 lines of words or phrases, and write your comments below. So for example, you want to write, did you hear about the rose? Did you hear about the rose that grew from a crack in concrete? So, and then you're going to write your response by saying, I chose this line because, and then you continue with your answer. So why did you annotate this line? What does it mean to you? Okay. And then you move down to the rest of the questions. I believe for the first one there are 7 questions. So again, identify who is the speaker in this poem. Please don't say that the speaker is Tupac. Okay, we already covered what the speaker is. And go back up on this document because I posted the notes on here anyway. It's the same notes that you saw on that first video on the introduction. And then so on and so forth. So what does the rose symbolize? What does concrete symbolize? Okay. And this is day 1's poem. And then for day 2 and day 3, you will also get different poems. I'm going to post another video because for day 4 and day 5, I'm asking you to write your own poem. And then for day 5, there's an art project. So check those out. I have video tutorials for those too. Okay, you guys, bye for now.